How to fix Instagram Reels lagging on iPhone or Android. Let's get started. For that, open up your Instagram application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then tap on this three-line icon. Inside, you scroll below and then tap on Media Quality. Now, if useless cellular data is enabled, you can simply turn it off. After that, restart your Instagram and check if your Reels play smoothly. The second fix is to reinstall Instagram. Long press on Instagram, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once it has been deleted, open the App Store and then reinstall the application. This removes glitches and gives you the latest feature and performance improvement. The third solution is to go ahead and check your internet connection. Reels needs a fast and stable connection to play smoothly, so you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router or restart it by unplugging it for 30 seconds. You can even run a internet speed test. Anything below 5 Mbps may cause lag or buffering. That's it. Follow these steps and your Instagram Reel should play without lag. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.